Fan of nature sounds, you'll love this compilation of cow sounds. From gentle mews to loud and powerful mooing, cows have a language all their own. Listen to the sound of a cow's lips as it chews and makes a smacking sound. Listen to the sound of cows walking and rustling through the grass as they move from one field to the next. Cows are social animals known for their affectionate nature. Listen to the sound of a cow grooming another cow with gentle licks. Cows use their voices to communicate with each other. Listen to the sounds of cows mooing and calling out to each other in the fields. Thanks for watching this compilation of cow sounds. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nature videos.